Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Jah bless the people, let the falls. Babylon system break, yeah man. Me climb the mountain, mist and rain. Every step release me pain. The higher me go, the clearer me sight. Jah light shine bright. Birds chant hymns above the tree. Nature speak to me. Mountain of Zion stand so tall. Jah love over all. Me tread the path of faith and grace. The wind caress me face. No easy road, but Jah me trust. Me rise from dust to dust. Them tell me give up, me say no. The summit still a glow. Every struggle shape me soul. Jah make me whole. Me see the wicked build them throne, but them can't rule alone. Me see the humble grow in might, guided by the light. Me carry the banner red, gold, green, symbol of the unseen. Freedom born in humble heart, Jah masterpiece of art. Mountain of Zion me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion rising pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face find eternal grace. Me look down pon the valley deep, where many lose and weep. But from the top me sight the dawn, new creation born. Me feel the wind whisper Jah name, set me heart aflame. No stone, no storm can shake what Jah create. Elders chant beneath the tree, say Jah set the captives free. Children play with laughter bright, pure delight. Me see the rainbow stretch so far, peace beyond the scar. On Zion mountain, me stand firm, Jah lesson me learn. When me weary, Jah restore me strength once more. From child come wisdom clear, Jah forever near. The mountain high, but Jah and true, carry me through. Each step me take in devotion, heart full of emotion. Mountain of Zion me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion rising pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face find eternal grace. Mountain high, me spirit free. Zion dwell in me. No evil can stand the sound when Rasta come around. Me look on the sunset red. Give thanks for life me tread. Mountain of Zion me own forever. Love bind we together. Ay ay ay. Ganja and Zion Raga. Yeah yeah. Oh ah. Ay ay ay, Ganja and Zion Raga ya man. Oh yeah.
Me wake up to the ancient beat. Drum talk under me feet. Wind whisper through the trees. Carry Jah message pon the breeze. From Africa to Caribbean shore. Me spirit open more and more. The call of the drum never fade. It echo through what Jah made. Me hear the elders chant them song. Say Rasta youth stand strong. Them rhythm pure, them message wise. Reach the heart, open eyes. Them teach me how to live upright. How to walk in Jah light. Every beat a prayer divine. Connecting soul and time. Me see the world in confusion still. Them chase vanity, goal and thrill. But the drum remind me of me root. The melody of truth absolute. Me see the youth, them lose them way. Me chant fi bring them back today. Cause music heal what pain divide. And love now hide. Call up the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call up the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Me close me eyes and me travel far. Beyond the moon, beyond the star. Me hear the ancestors whisper clear. Keep the drum, keep Jah near. Every rhythm tell a tale. Every song set sail. Me carry the sound through the storm. Truth in perfect form. Inna the market, inna the street. Drum beat under me feet. Children dance, woman sing. Hope in everything. The world may shake but sound stay pure. The drum keep we secure. Long as the heartbeat still strong. We sing Jah song. Me no fear no system chain. Music heal me pain. From Shashamane to Kingston town. Drum never let we down. Every strike a spark of light. Burn through the darkest night. Jah rhythm guide me home. Never alone. Call out the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call out the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Smoke with Zion, yeah man. Yeah man.
Me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me in this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon I know. Lion spirit waking at the heart. Freedom heart. Me see the people stand again. After centuries of pain. The fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak. Give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry echo through the sky. Me trod the road, them paved with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone. But me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper in a deep breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta louder. Me see the youths them wise and proud, chant redemption loud. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion run through the land, justice in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man. No force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light. Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm. Spirit transform me, walk with courage, faith and song. For the journey long, fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Fly on the wings of the lion. Soaring high. Freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest my soul upon higher ground. Peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong. Jah love live long.
Na 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 na. Peace for the world. Me hear the cry from deep within. Jah call the people to begin. No silence, no fear. Truth and freedom draw near. Me walk the street with me head high. Jah power never lie. Every sound from drum and bass carry the voice of the human race. Them try fi hush, them try fi hide, but truth stand by my side. Me chant for justice, me chant for right. Jah light forever bright. Me hear the mothers, hear the youth. All them sing one truth. Me see the fire in the eyes. Jah promise never dies. From the valley to the sea, voice of people set we free. No chain, no wall, no gate can hold back the faith. We hear
voice of the people strong. Sing the freedom song.
One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame.
Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky.
Me hear the rhythm through the crowd. The chant a sound so proud. Every beat a revolution call. Every soul stand tall. Me chant for peace, me chant for love. Blessings fall from above. Me see the nation start to rise. Hope shining in them eyes. Together strong, together true. Jah work for me and you. Me hear the spirit deep inside. Jah voice me only guide. No more chains, no more pain. Freedom come again. We
Voice of the people strong.
yeah.
Sing the freedom song.
One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame.
Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky.
So let the voice forever ring. Peace and love we bring. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong.
Na na na, Rasta man chant, yeah man. Under the moonlight, calm and still. Jah presence bless the hill. Stars above them shine so clear. Rasta spirit always near. Me sit and reason pon the stone. Never walk this path alone. Me feel the rhythm in a breeze. Jah comfort me with ease. Every sound from near and far guide me where the blessings are. Me chant for hope, me chant for love. Peace descend from above. The fire blaze, the chalice glow. Wisdom flow, me spirit grow. Me see the world in Jah design. Everything aligned, no envy, greed or pride. Just light from deep inside. Me walk with faith, me walk with care. Jah glory everywhere. Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one song. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. One na 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 yeah. Me hear the drum beat soft and low. Ancient voices start to show. Me feel the healing deep within. Jah kingdom never dim. Every man and woman true. Jah light shine through you. From the mountain to the sea. Rasta live in harmony. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. Love and mercy never cease. The night so calm, the heart so pure. Jah love forever sure. Me rise, me pray, me sing. Jah bless in everything. No fear can shake me ground. Love forever song. Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one song. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. So when the dawn begin to glow, remember Jah wherever you go. One heart, one love, one flame. Forever in Jah name. Forever da 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 da. Jah bless the land and the people, yeah man. Deep within this sacred ground, garden of eternal roots is found. Branches reach, leaves unfold. Stories ancient, truths untold. Not by riches, not
wisdom, fruit of grace. Feed the people, heal the race. Shade of mercy, shade of care. Garden shelter everywhere. Every herb a holy sign. Medicine of Jah divine. Water pure flowing still. Garden grow by Jah will. From the river songs arise. Healing shine before the eyes. Generations plant again. Garden heal the heart of men. No more hunger, no more war. Roots of Zion spread afar. Every vine a sacred line. Carry strength through space and time. Ever living, ever true. Garden of roots renew. Hands together, sow the seed. Garden answer every need. In the evening, in the morn, garden keep the people warm. Every star above agree. Garden stand eternally. Joy and mercy, justice grow. Through the roots, the spirit flow. Everlasting pure design. Garden holy love divine. Grow strong and wide. Roots of love them can't divide. Bloom bright and fair. Garden spirit everywhere. Rise day by day. Garden show the righteous way. Garden eternal holy ground. Song of life in you is found. Roots unbroken, pure and free. Garden of Zion destiny. Forever growing, never fall. Garden of roots, bless us all. Ever living, ever new. Garden of Jah carry you.
Ay, 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 ay. Smoke and meditate, yeah, man.
Me see the tower
powers reach the sky, but truth no live in lie. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me hear. The world tremble, the system shake, cause the people awake. Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time, them build them kingdom on the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat, but every stone them stack so high. Soon crumble, soon dry, the earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again. Them can't hide behind them gold. The prophecy unfold, me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain, me see the people gather round. Freedom sound, no more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide, them try to silence your name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child. Say justice no fi mild. Me see the father chant a prayer. Jah always there. Me see the system lose control. People claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line. Time fi redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall. Me just answer Jah call. Cause from the ruin come rebirth. New heaven, new earth. Me see the sunrise gold and red. A sign fi what Jah said. Babylon fall but we still stand. Guided by Jah and tears turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong. We build again from dust and clay. Jah show the way. No crown fi the wicked king. Only truth we sing. Me hear the thunder roll and call. Babylon fall. Babylon fall in hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Babylon gone. Babylon gone. Go. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon fall. Babylon. Aye, aye, aye. Rasta Marcus roll this spliff, your man. Lift your eyes to the midnight sky. Stars above the nation testify. Silent witness shining bright. Guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way. Stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale. Truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea. Stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still. Stars align for Jah will. Every journey, every dream. Stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed. Broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shining line. Signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim. Stars eternal still remain. From the desert to the shore. Nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light. Promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done. Stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone. Heaven ride the inspire them to grow. Every singer lift this song. Stars above, keep them strong. Generations gaze above. Stars remind of endless love. Vision pure, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Shine, shine, endless flame. Stars exalt your holy name. Glow, glow, far and wide. Stars of Zion still guide. Burn, burn, never die. Stars of Zion fill the sky. Stars above the nation bright. Lead the people through the fight. Never fading, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Forever burning clear and true. Stars above still guide you. Through the darkness, through the pain. Stars of Zion still remain. Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Sound the drum from Zion Hill, heartbeat of the Father's will. It called the nations, call them near. Zion drum beat we all hear. From ancient days till present time, Zion drum beat sound divine. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion drum beat all around. Zion drum beat strong and free, echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song. Zion drum beat keep it strong. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion drum beat by Jah hand. Forever steady, pure and wide. Zion drum beat holy tide. It heal the weary, lift the meek. Zion drum beat all hearts seek. From mountain high to valley low, Zion drum beat always flow. Me feel it in the morning sun. Zion drum beat never done. It shake the chain, it break the wall. Zion drum beat fi all. Forever thundering, pure and true. Zion drum beat carry you. Eternal rhythm, steady flame. Zion drum beat praise his name. It rise eternal, strong and tall. Zion drum beat bless we all. Forever sounding, never gone. Zion drum beat keep it strong. It call the children, call the youth. Zion drum beat Jah truth. Eternal rhythm, mighty sound. Zion drum beat all around. When the trumpet sound again, Zion drum beat still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion drum beat bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion drum beat show Jah way. Eternal thumping, pure and free. Zion drum beat destiny. Beat high, Zion, fire still carry on.
Ganja is the medicine, yeah, man.
Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruits. Zion garden Jah root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden, lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise His name. Zion garden praise His name. Zion garden, it feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden always more, forever holy, never gone. Zion garden shining strong, it heal the weary, lift the low. Zion garden make it grow, forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden holy tide, me plant me seed in morning sun. Zion garden never done, it bless the harvest, bless the rain. Zion garden heal the pain, forever holy, pure and true. Zion garden carry you, it grow the truth, it grow the song. Zion garden just strong. It bloom eternal, never fade. Zion garden Jah made. No Babylon can dry the land. Zion garden by Jah hand, forever fertile, lush and free. Zion garden destiny, it grow the herb, it grow the love. Zion garden gift from above. When the trumpets sound again, Zion garden still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion garden bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion garden show Jah way, eternal harvest, pure and strong. Zion garden Jah song, grow high, grow free. Zion garden eternity, no drought, no war can
of justice shake the ground. Every corner, every lane. Iron drum, me raise the chain. Spirit wake, oppression fall. Drum of Zion, call them all. Through the fire, through the fight. Iron drum, a guiding light. Strike the skin, release the cry. Freedom echo through the sky. Voices blend with every strike. Drum unite them all alike. Not for hatred, not for greed. Drumbeat carry what we need. Rise together, hold the line. Iron ridden, pure divine. Stronger, louder, day by day. Drum of freedom, clear the way. Pulse eternal, steady strong. Iron drum, forever song. On the hilltop, in the square, iron rhythm everywhere. Echo deep in every chest. Beat of life and holy rest. Warrior rise, people sing. Iron drum awaken king. Generation chant along. Drumbeat write eternal song. Boom, echo go real. Iron drum make Babylon kneel. Beat, heavy and true. Iron rhythm carry you. Steady, steady, bold and free. Iron drum for unity. Iron drum beat, shake the night. Bring the darkness into light. Stand united. Hear the call. Iron drum for one and all. Never fading, never weak. Iron drum beat when we speak. Forever sounding, bold and pure. Iron drum, a truth secure.
Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, yeah, man. Me wake with sun on me face. Chalice ready in sacred place. Roots man heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke, fi run away. Me smoke fi clear, me in a way. Earth provide this plant of peace. A sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets
it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide, the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a roots man higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, this sacred herb come from Jaan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chakra. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with roots man ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again.
Na 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 Zion, yeah man. Song of Zion rise so sweet. Heaven melody complete. It fill the air, it fill the sky. Zion song will never die. It heal the soul, it lift the heart. Zion song Jah heart. No Babylon can drown the sound. Zion song all around. Zion song pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse eternal flame. Zion song exalt Jah name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion song all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion song keep it strong. It flow through valley, flow through sea. Zion song eternity. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion song Jah light. Me hear it in the morning breeze. Zion song across the seas. It chant the truth, it sing the word. Zion song always heard. Forever holy, never fall. Zion song fi all. It bless the nation, bless the child. Zion song meek and mild. It rise eternal, never end. Zion song Jah friend. No Babylon can stop the flow.
and a highly live reggae man. Na 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 na. Blaze up on the mountain peak, flames of Zion rise and speak. Not of terror, not of war, but the fire of truth we adore. Vision bright, heart ignite, every spirit bathed in light. Ancient prophets whisper still, Zion fire reveal your will. Echo roll across the plain, wash away the guilt and pain. Iron chain them melt away, Babylon fortress start decay. No machine, no weapon strong can withstand your holy sound. Climb the mountain, see the flame, every tongue declare your name. Fear dissolve, courage grow, Zion fire overflow. Stone by stone, wall collapse, truth replace the wicked traps. High above the cloud and rain, Zion blaze remove the pain. Carved in stone eternal law, flames of Zion stand in awe. Generations gather near, fire cast away the fear. Bright eternal burning free, Zion flame for you and me. Song of drummers, chant of choir, rise together in the fire. In the temple, on the street, every heartbeat feel the heat. No more silence, no retreat. Zion flame of victory beat. When the morning sun appear, still the blaze is shining clear. Everlasting, strong and high, Zion flame light up the sky. Burn, burn, holy flame, cleanse the earth in your name. Rise, rise, never die. Zion blaze across the sky. Flame eternal, pure and bright. Keep the people in your light. Flames of Mount Zion, bold and strong, guide the righteous, keep them long. Light up the night, shine so clear. Flames of Zion, always near, forever burning, pure and true. Zion fire carry you. No more shadow, no more fear. Flames of Zion, always here. Roll a spliff with kamikaze kusha man. The wind blows soft on the land. Jah bless the works of every hand.
Drumbeat echo through the street. Freedom rhythm move the feet. Me wake up with a chanting on my soul. Freedom call me to the goal. Me see the youth them rise and shine. Truth align, the stars combine. No chain can bind, no tongue can lie. Freedom spirit never die. Every man and woman sing. Jah power make them king. Me hear the elders tell the tale. How love and faith prevail. From the struggles to the glory, every pain become Jah's story. The roots so deep, the sky so wide. Jah dwell on every side. Me chant for unity, me chant for grace. Blessings flow in every place. With heartbeat of freedom strong, carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. The youth them dancing in the rain. Healing wash away the pain. Me see the joy in every face. Peace are the only race. Every drumbeat, every song, Jah's spirit circle round. From Kingston town to Addis Plain, freedom calling again. The fire burn, the heart so pure. Rasta spirit ever sure. Me sing for hope, me sing for love. Blessings fall from up above. Me hold the line, me hold the light. Through the dark, through the fight. No fear, no sorrow, no despair. Jah presence everywhere. With heartbeat of freedom strong, carry the people on. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. So keep the heartbeat pure and true. Freedom live inside of you. One love forever born, till the righteous all return. Chamba with coconut, yeah man. Early morning, me still rest on hills. Me light up the fire, me soul it fills. The chalice pass round like sacred rite. Me eyes closed tight, me spirit take flight. Me no smoke for hype, me smoke for ear. Jah whisper truth right in a me ear. Each draw a prayer, each puff a chant. Me reason deep in ganja plant. Me sit pon rock under mango tree. Me hear the ancestors talk to me. Me breathe in love, exhale me pain. Me mind now float like healing rain. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the smoke rise up so gentle. Meditation deep like drum. Rasta heart, here I come. Sacred flame and sacred herb. Me chant me psalms, me soul disturb. No stress, no war, no fight. Just higher reasoning in the night. Me roll me spliff with reverence. It teach me patience, teach me sense. No rush, no haste, no greed. Just balance roots and what me need. Me see me life in clearer way. Me give thanks more every day. Me see me brethren
recognize myself. Me value vibes more than wealth. The herb reveal me inner sight. Me dreams become me guiding light. And in a silence me overstand. Jah never leave, Jah hold me hand. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the rhythm slow and mental. Drum and bass them chant along. Each note a healing holy song. Sacred herb, me heart align. It bridge the space between flesh and divine. No Babylon inside this space, only love and Jaja grace.
The night come down like velvet shawl. Me sit in circle, me brethren call. We reason deep till morning light. We burn the herb, we seek insight. The stars align, my mind expand. Me walk through Zion in a sand. No church roof can hold this vibe. The sky above, me real tribe. Me chant me name, me chant me fate. Me no worry, me no wait. In ganja smoke, me vision born. Me rise again each blessed morn.
Me no need palace or gold ring. Me find me truth in simple thing. A little fire, ganja leaf, a reasoning full of soul relief. Me on a herb for what it do. It bring me close to what is true. No pills, no doctors for me mind. Just natural smoke and Jah design. Me share me weed, me share me light, me share me joy in the night. And when me leave this earthly shell, me spirit rise, me soul rebel. Me soul rebel. Ganja Temple, sacred ground. Me soul it rise with every sound. Me chant, me blaze, me elevate. Me link with Jah, me resonate. So build a fire, pass it round. Let peace and unity be found. This ritual, me daily bread. Me burn the herb, me soul be fed.